Welcome to Infinity with VJ. In today's class, we are discussing about the questions related to the chapter 2, that is polynomials. First question, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationships between the zeros and the coefficient of the given polynomial. So, the quadratic polynomial is nothing but the highest power of the polynomial is 2 and it have at most 2 zeros. Let us start. First question. X square minus 2x minus 8. P of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. This is a given polynomial. We are going to split this. Okay. When we multiply, we should get minus 8. When we add, we should get minus 2. That's why that two numbers are nothing but 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8 and we have to look into what are the symbols we should apply. If we apply minus and here plus, see 4 2s are 8, the symbol plus minus into plus is minus, and when we add, here we will take the difference, that is 2. Here in front of the biggest number minus symbol is present, therefore answer is minus 2, correct? So we are taking minus 4 and plus 2. Let us split this minus 2x as minus 4x plus 2x, and we will write this minus 8 as it is. X is common, x minus 4 plus 2x and 8 is present, 2 is common, x minus 4. Again, we can write it as x into 4 into x plus 2. X minus 4 into x plus 2. That's why the given polynomial p of x, I will write p of x, the given polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8 is 0 when x becomes, one thing is plus 4, when x becomes 4 or x becomes minus 2. Therefore, the sum of zeros of this given polynomial, zeros of p of x, zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8 is nothing but 4 and minus 2. And they are asking what this, verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So verification, zeros, sum of zeros is equal to, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus b means the coefficient of x and a means the coefficient of x square. In the previous class, we have discussed about this coefficient of x square. So sum of zeros alpha and beta, we got the zeros what and all 4 and minus 2. That's why 4 minus 2 is equal to minus the coefficient of x b. What is that coefficient of x? Here, that is minus 2. See here, 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. Okay, another way, another thing we have to write it here. B is, the coefficient of x is minus 2 divided by a. A means the coefficient of x square. A means here nothing is present. Here, okay. So that's why the coefficient of x square is 1. See here, minus into minus, that will become plus 2 divided by 1 means nothing but this 2 only. Next, the product of zeros. The product of zeros, alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to nothing but c by a. C means the constant term and a means again the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square. So alpha into beta. Alpha means, here we got, what is that? 4 and beta is minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 is equal to nothing but 4 2 is 8 minus 8. See here in the given polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8, the c terms, the constant term is minus 8 and a is nothing but 1. That's why C by A is nothing but minus 8 divided by 1. Okay. Minus 8 divided by 1. So we have verified this. Minus 8 divided by 1 is nothing but minus 8. We have verified. Next question. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Here A is nothing but 6 and B is minus 7 and C is equal to minus 3. Okay, in this given polynomial. So when we multiply, we should get minus 3. Minus 3 not A and C means 6 into minus 3, that is minus 18, and when we add, we should get minus 7. So when we multiply, we should get minus 24, and when we add, we should get minus 7. That's why that two numbers are nothing but they are 9 and 2. See here, if we take 9 and 3. So if we take 9 and 2, what we will get? 9 and 6 3 is nothing but minus 24, not minus 18. So 9 and 2. If we take 9 and 2, 9 2s are 18, and when we take minus 9 and plus 2, so the difference is 7, and in front of the biggest number minus symbol is present, so minus 7. The answer is correct. Okay, so we will split this first. P of x is equal to 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Here 6x square minus 7x, we will split this and we will write it as minus 9x plus 2x minus 3, we will write as it is, and here common is nothing but 6x square in this 2. Okay, 3x is common, remaining is 3, 2s are 6 and x is remaining. Here we took x outside and 3 also, remaining 3 3s are 9. That's why we will write here minus 3 plus, here nothing is present, so we will write common is nothing is common, that's why we will write 1 and 2x minus 3. So common term 2x minus 3 and into 3x plus 1. So the polynomial p of x is 0 when x becomes, see here, when here x becomes 3 by 2, correct? It's easy, I will tell you how. Just 3x minus 3 equate to 0, then 2x is equal to, when this minus 3 comes to RHS, it will become plus 3, and x is equal to 3 by 2. That's why x is 3 by 2, one thing. And another x is again equate to 0, means 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to, when plus 1 becomes comes to RHS, it will become minus 1, and 3 is here multiplying, when it becomes when it comes to RHS, it will become divided by, okay, so by 3. That's why when x becomes 3 by 2 and x is minus 1 by 3, then the given polynomial becomes 0. That's why x is equal to nothing but the answer is 3 by 2, or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So zeros of this given polynomial p of x is equal p of x is equal to zeros 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. So verification, the sum of zeros. The sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus the coefficient of x divided by, I will not write here. Okay, you have to write this. A means the coefficient of x square. So alpha and beta we have got, that is alpha is this 3 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 3. That's why 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3 is equal to, here common is, nothing will be common. So we will take the common, that is 6, common denominator 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. That's why we have to multiply that 2 into numerator. So minus 2. 9 minus 2, nothing but 7 divided by 6. So we have to verify, correct? So minus b by a, how we can write? Minus b, we know what is that? Minus 7. So minus 7 divided by a, we know that is 6. See here, minus into minus plus, that is plus 7 and divided by 6. We got this. We have verified. Then the product of zeros. The product of zeros, alpha into beta is equal to C by A. Alpha into beta means 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 is equal to C by A. Sorry, we will simplify this. 3 2s are 6. Minus into plus into minus means minus, 3 1s are 3. C by A. C is nothing but here minus 3 and A is 6. See here, the same answer we got. We have verified. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you.